welcome back to my channel. My name is Tamisha and you are watching A Mouthful. So today I'm so excited, you guys. I have been waiting all week like a kid on Christmas Eve because my HelloFresh box arrived. So I've been so excited to do this video and I've been wanting to try HelloFresh for a long time. If you don't know, HelloFresh is a meal kit delivery service. They have an app that you can go, or you can go online to their website and pick your meals that you want delivered straight to your door for the week for you to prepare for yourself or for your family. So I found a code online last week and I said, okay, I'm gonna jump on that and I'm gonna give it a try out, and it has arrived. So before we get into the video, I want to say if you are a current subscriber, welcome back. And if you are not subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead and click that button down below, as well as the notification bells. I upload videos on all things food related, from recipes to food reviews, product reviews, as well as grocery hauls. So what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button so that you can stay tuned for more food videos in the future. So let's get right into our video for today. Alright, so with HelloFresh, you can either go onto their app or you can go onto their website. Just a quick note, I do suggest using their app because it makes the navigating just a little bit easier. But anyhow, you can go on their app or their website and choose your meals that you want to be delivered to your home for the week that you can prepare. And you can choose to order every week if you ballin' like that, or you can order this week and choose to skip next week, or maybe you're going out of town, or maybe you just feel like you don't feel like cooking that week. You can skip weeks if you want to. So, and also when you're choosing your weeks, you can choose how many people you want to feed and how many recipes you want to be delivered. Now, for myself, because it's my first go around and my pockets wanted to be a little bit frugal, I chose the 2-person 2 recipe a week deal for the first week. And I was already scrolling through to the next coming weeks, and there's some recipes that I really want to try out, so I may have to not use the skip button the first couple of weeks. But anyhow, so you can choose from 3 plans. They have a classic plan, a family plan, and a veggie plan. And so the classic plan, you can choose between 2 and 4 people and 2 and 4 recipes a week, and the same goes on for the other plans that they have. And the plans start at $9.99, but the more people and the more recipes that you choose per week, then the price starts to drop a little bit. And they also, do shipping as well. But I do have a code for you that I will put in the description box below so that you can try it out for yourself at a discount and see if you like it. So what I love about it is that you can go onto the app and they have these amazing recipes that you can choose from, and they send everything to you in this box that you need. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up our box and we're going to take a look and see what I chose for my family for the week. Okay, so we're going to give our box a nice cut across the tape. I already pulled my address off, just to be safe, guys. But this was delivered actually about maybe about 3 or 4 hours ago, and I do want to tell you guys that when the UPS delivery agent dropped it off, this box was still cold, and it's cold now too, 4 hours later. But the box was cold when he handed it to me. I just didn't have time to actually open it yet because I had one kid getting off of work and the other kid on her way to work, and then I also had to do 2 hours of my side gig. So anyhow, okay, so let's take a look. So what do we have first? They have let's see, am I opening this right? Okay, so it just shows you how to actually use the app. Okay, we also have some coupons. And then this, oh, look at this. This is what I saw on the website. This is what made me order this. I have the pineapple poblano beef tacos. Look how amazing that looks, guys. So this is going to be our meal card. And as you see, it shows you what your meal is going to look like. It shows you your preparation time, cooking time, calories. It shows you everything that came in the box to make your meal. And on the back is step-by-step instructions, which I love because if you have kids that are of cooking age and you trust them enough to be in the kitchen and cook for themselves, all they need is this recipe card, you know, and it shows them everything that they need to do, and all of the ingredients and everything like that. So this is perfect. And if you wanted to try to recreate this on your own without the kit, you know, you have that to use later. And then I also chose the lemon rosemary chicken cutlets, and the same thing. Look how good that looks. I cannot wait to cook this. And then this is the nutritional information, which is really good to have if you're watching, you know, your calories, your carbs, your sodium, your fat intake, all of that stuff. It shows you, you know, your nutritional facts, which is always important. So let's get into the good stuff. All right. Okay, so first things first, this is really protected. As you can see, it's to keep it fresh. This is protected nicely. And what is this? Okay. All right, so let me try that. Actually, let me move this over, and then I can lay everything out on the counter. That might be better. I'm gonna lay everything over here. Okay, so here is the bag with our rosemary lemon rosemary chicken cutlets. What else do we have? Ooh, okay. This is our pineapple poblano beef tacos. There are ingredients in there. Can you see in the box? Okay, what is this? All right, and then here is, okay, this is our ice pack, still frozen. So they make sure that you are definitely getting your items fresh. So let me stick that in the sink real quick. All right, so here is our chicken cutlets. This is our 8515 ground beef for our tacos. What else do we have down here? Some more ice packs. And okay, and another big ice pack as well. And then what else? Okay, and that's it. And they have more of this protective wrapping in there. Okay. So let's open these up. So we have our meat for both meals. And then this must be the individual ingredients for each. Oh, yes. Okay. So here's the bag for the tacos. And you have 6 count of the flour tortillas. So remember I told you I ordered the 2 for 2, the 2 meals, 2 for 2 person, 2 recipes. So this is enough to feed 2 people, even though I have more than 2 people in my house, but we won't say nothing about that. We got some cilantro. If you guys watch any of my previous videos, you know that that is a family favorite for us. We got our poblano peppers, our tomatoes. Oh my gosh, and the quality of this, the quality of the freshness of their produce looks really good. We got our lime. What else do we have? Our taco spice blend. So that's 1 tablespoon worth. We got our pineapples. You know what? I might actually end up cooking this tonight. And we have some sour cream and then our red onion. So all of this, everything that you need to make all of these ingredients right here are going to turn into this. So let me stick these back in here and let's take a look at everything that we're going to get in our bag for our chicken. All right, so now for our lemon rosemary chicken cutlet recipe bag. We already got chicken breast out. We have some rosemary. Uh-oh, something fell out in there. We'll get to that. Garlic cloves. Have some Israeli couscous. We love couscous, so this will be good. This is about 1/2 cup. Some Parmesan cheese. We have some chili flakes, a lemon, and then looks like all of my heirloom tomatoes fell out, but that is fine because it feels like they're all still intact and none of them are smushed or anything. So, and we have our heirloom tomatoes. So this is everything that we need to make our lemon rosemary chicken cutlets. All right, so let me go ahead and get these put up as well. All right, guys, so here's everything that we received in our HelloFresh box today. I do want to say that in no way is this video sponsored in any way. I came out of my own pockets to pay for our meals, but I really wanted to share it with you guys because I was so excited. I think that it is amazing service, and you know, I wanted to share it and pass it on to you guys, and maybe you want to give it a try for yourself. So my thoughts on it, I think that, like I just said, I think it's amazing. I think it's very super convenient to be able to go online. It takes the hassle out of, sometimes, you know, we get into a rut when we're cooking for our families, and we sometimes maybe start to cook the same meals over and over again. So it takes that thought out of, you know, what do I want to cook today? Oh, I don't want to have the same thing again. And you can get creative in your kitchen and, you know, try something fresh and try something new and bring it to your table. And you don't have to worry about trying to figure out what it is you're going to cook. They give you a variety of recipes to choose from every week. If you want to choose every single recipe, knock yourself out. Or you can choose as little as 2 if you want to. It's up to you, but they do give you a variety, and I love the fact that they give you step-by-step instructions on the recipe card as well as on the website or the app. So I think that for $9.99 a serving, which is the most that you're going to pay, and if you think about it, if you go out to eat somewhere, you're paying upwards, you know, probably double that to be able to have a nice quality ingredient meal sitting on a plate in front of you. So like I said, I do have a code, then I'll put it down in the description box. If you want to give HelloFresh a try, I do have a code down in the description box that you can get $40 off of your very first order, and give it a try out for yourself. You are more than welcome to cancel at any point. You're not obligated to keep it, and or if you want to keep it but you're just, you know, maybe want to try it out every once in a while, you can hit skip on the app and choose not to get, you know, a week or a couple of weeks, however you want to do it. But what I am going to do tomorrow is I'm going to actually prepare one of these and do that and record that for you guys as well. So look out for that upload tomorrow. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Let me know if you've ever tried it. Put it down in the comment box and let me know if you tried and what your thoughts are on it. And yeah, that's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and take care. Have a great evening.